Epimedium honey. Turkish number 1 epimedium and herbal paste, horny goatweed honey, for men and women as a natural aphrodisiac with no side effects. Epimedium honey is a 100% natural organic aphrodisiac which offers similar results as chemical drugs without the negative side effects. It even relieves risk, stress, and the possible adverse effects of the famous blue pill. It's a best for women's. Become horny with a lick of a spoon on command. Helps improve the number of sexual intercourse. Effects on women. Proves effect within just 45 minutes. Pleasure and comfort during sex. Help reduce fear and anxiety. Increase the secretion of estrogen. Elevates fatigue and hypertension after menopause. Increases the sensitivity of the G-spot. Results. This an amazing surprise for you and your beloved partner which will change your sex life for good. All with a 100% natural product. Ingredients. Flower honey, pollen, epimedium, horny goatweed, percent 0.79, carob, oats, ginger, galangal, cinnamon, maca, American ginseng, nettle leaf, Siberian ginseng, ginkgo biloba, ginseng, pumpkin, Tribulus terrestris, kola nut, vanilla, mulberry syrup, glucose syrup, royal jelly. Epimedium Turkish honey, horny goatweed, is a 100% natural product based on the natural gifts that offer results similar to those of the chemical drugs without any stress or side effects. The main ingredient of this product is epimedium yin yang hua in Chinese, the herb that balances the yin and yang. For obvious reasons, the epimedium was named the horny goatweed, as it stimulates the erectile function of men and increases blood flow to vaginal tissues of women. Now available in Pakistan at Hussain stores. Contact now.